Today I want to show you this little bee that I've been using on some of my fabric panels. If you purchase the fabric panels, you've got the instructions for this, but let me just show you what I've done. So it's bullion knots, so I'm using milliner's needles, and we'll have a little bee there, so let's just pop a little waist knot there. So we'll start now at his head, and I have got a bullion knot tutorial if you want to see it in further depth. So I'm going to start with, got 2 strands on, so let's have a look at maybe 5 wraps for his head. I don't want it too large, and let's just anchor that down, and then we'll go for his body. So leave a little bit of a gap, and then we're going to use about 10 wraps for this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's just bend that over. Yep, make sure that covers the area. And then we'll do the final black one, leaving a little gap again. Actually a slightly larger gap than that, I think. And we'll go for about 5 on this as well. Now this is going to be something like a cushion cover, so I'm actually going to pop him some wings on and anchor them down. So for that I'm going to use Lazy Daisy, so I'm going to come up around that middle bullion knot, put quite a loose Lazy Daisy on there. So how big a wing shall we? We'll have one about that big. So let's just leave that quite baggy and just anchor it down so he doesn't fly off. And the same at this side. And let's just anchor that. And then let's just pop that black thread out of the way. My needle's stuck now, there we go. And go for the yellow. And with the yellow, all we're going to do now is just fill in those stitches, and I'm actually going to do slightly more bullion wraps on that, if I can get between, not on that hole there, there we go, in between them. So for the first one I'm going to do about 12, and I'm doing a few extras because I actually want it to stand a little bit proud. Let's have a look and see what that looks like. There we go. And we'll have one between the last 2. And go for about 12 on that as well. Can you see it stands a little proud, so it gives him a little bit more of a bumbly body. And there's our little bee.